Sometimes people say that we are going to be artists.
That we are going to use our creativity to make change.
But we are artists today, and we are making change now. The MCA believes in the power of our ideas and equips us with the tools to make our voices heard.
We have the room to create, express ourselves, and learn about art and its role in making a better world.
The galleries of the museum are our classrooms. Each year, the MCA opens its doors to more than 10,000 Chicago area students, providing free transportation and tours led by trained artist guides. The studios are our laboratories, where we find our voices and plan the future we want to see.
The School Partnership for Art and Civic Engagement Program, or SPACE, brings socially engaged artists into Chicago public high schools. Artists establish studios inside these schools, and as their creative practices take shape, we see the potential of art and civics to dynamically change our world.
I'm a graduate of the Teen Creative Agency.
I'm a graduate of the Teen Creative Agency, or TCA,
a program that does exactly what it claims: empower young people with the skills and resources to transform our ideas into action. In TCA, we not only build confidence, collaboration, and leadership skills, we work with artists and museum staff to develop programs at the museum that reflect our values and artistic practices.
We make big things happen at the museum,
so we know we can make big things happen anywhere in the world.
We are change makers in Chicago and beyond.
Our creativity cannot be contained. We are going to make a better future. Let's do it together.